Tired of juggling multiple banking apps? Let's bridge the gap and get your Greendot money flowing seamlessly into your Cash App. First, open your Cash App. Tap the profile icon, usually a photo or initial, in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the Linked Banks option and tap it. Now tap Link Bank. Cash App will then prompt you to log in using your bank credentials, but instead select the option to link manually using your debit card information. Here's where your Greendot card info comes in. Enter your Greendot card number, expiration date, CVV code, and zip code associated with your Greendot account. Double-check all the information to make sure it is accurate. Once you're sure, tap Add Card. Cash App will verify the card, which may involve a small temporary charge that's later refunded. After your Greendot card is linked, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap the dollar amount under your balance to access the cash balance options. Now tap Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Greendot account. Keep in mind any daily or weekly transfer limits that both Greendot and Cash App may have. Tap Add and confirm the transfer using your linked Greendot card. You might be asked to authenticate the transfer using Greendot's security protocols, such as a one-time passcode. And that's it. The money will typically appear in your Cash App balance instantly or within 1 to 3 business days. Remember to check for any potential fees associated with using a debit card for transfers, as these can vary. Happy transferring.